Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a game-changing concept, energy management. Instead of focusing solely on time management, we'll discuss how managing your energy throughout the day can significantly improve your productivity and help you achieve your goals. If you're ready to unlock your full potential, stay with me till the end of this video. 1. Understanding energy management. Energy management is the process of monitoring and adjusting your physical, mental, and emotional energy levels to optimize performance and productivity. 2. While time management is important, it's not the only factor that affects productivity. Energy management complements time management by helping you maximize your efficiency during the hours you have available. 1. The 4 types of energy. 1. Physical energy, the foundation of all other energy types. 1. Prioritize proper nutrition, exercise, sleep, and hydration to maintain high physical energy levels. Emotional energy. Your feelings and emotions affect your ability to focus and perform. Practice mindfulness and stress management techniques to regulate your emotions and maintain a positive mindset. 3. Mental energy. This encompasses your ability to think, focus, and solve problems. Develop strategies to minimize distractions and cultivate mental resilience through activities like meditation or journaling. 4. Spiritual energy. Aligning your daily activities with your values and purpose can provide motivation and drive. Reflect on your goals and priorities to ensure your actions align with your core beliefs. 1. Tips for managing your energy. Break your day into energy cycles. Our energy levels naturally fluctuate throughout the day. Work with your body's natural rhythms by scheduling tasks during your peak energy times and taking breaks during energy dips. Prioritize restorative breaks. Short breaks throughout the day can help recharge your energy levels. Step away from your workspace, stretch, meditate, or engage in an enjoyable activity to reset your focus and energy. 3. Monitor your energy levels. Pay attention to how you feel during different tasks and times of day. Adjust your schedule and workload accordingly to maximize productivity. The power of energy rituals. Establish consistent routines and habits that support your energy levels. 1. Examples include, A. Morning routines. Start your day with activities that boost your energy, such as exercise, meditation, or journaling. B. Workday transitions. Create rituals to transition between work and personal life, like taking a short walk or engaging in a relaxing hobby. C. Evening routines. Wind down with calming activities that prepare your body and mind for restful sleep, such as reading or practicing gratitude. The benefits of energy management. Improved productivity. By working with your natural energy cycles and maintaining high energy levels, you'll be able to accomplish more in less time. 2. Enhanced well-being. Focusing on your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual energy promotes overall health and happiness. 3. Better work-life balance. Energy management helps you optimize your performance at work while also allowing time for personal growth and leisure activities. Conclusion. Energy management is a powerful tool to enhance your productivity and overall well-being. By focusing on your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual energy, you can unlock your full potential and achieve your goals. Try implementing these energy management strategies and see the impact they have on your daily life. Thank you for watching this video on energy management and productivity. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. And, as always, leave a comment to let me know how energy management has improved your productivity and well-being. See you in the next video.